my stomach. I go, ah! The bird over here, I have to shoot it. The bird's on my head, I have to.
Well, maybe that's a better tactic.
And if it's on my foot, I have to like kick or something. I don't know.
Kick it into your hands.
I can actually catch it. And then it'd be interesting.
Okay, this is gonna be hard.
Well.
Like, I'm gonna need years to practice.
Funny, but yeah, only for a little bit. So it starts like hobbling. Yeah. Away. Sounds a lot. Moving in! Moving in! Moving in!
Oh!
Awesome. Awesome. Got a little bit. Some more. Another one's coming! Oh, here they come, here they come! Storming time! Alright, not yet. Not yet. I'm fighting. Getting closer, getting closer. No, there's They're being a little more cautious. Starting to freeze really hard on this.
Oh, look, here comes the daddy. Daddy's like, oh.
Get it! Go ahead! Get it! You had it! Physically had it. Oh my god! That was great.